Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add discount coupon in your abandoned cart email. Okay, so as you all know, Shopify sends an email for abandoned checkout customers who didn't completed the purchase. So you can see that abandoned checkout customers from here. So these customers will receive an email after 6 hours or 10 hours saying that okay, you didn't complete the purchasing. Okay, so in order to make them complete the order, what we can do is we can offer them extra discount or something. Okay, so for doing that, or extra discount coupon for that. So for that, what you can do is you can go to settings, and from there you can go to notifications, and you can find abandoned checkout. Okay, so just click on this one and you'll be able to see the email that your customer is going to receive after certain time that you have set, or by default I think it's 6 hours. After 6 hours they'll be able to see an email saying that you did complete the order and this is the products that you have added to the cart, and you can visit the website to complete the order. Okay, so for doing this one, what you need to do is you can go to discounts, and in discounts you can create discount. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to offer them like certain discount, so the amount offered. Okay, so I'm going to create a new discount, and I'm just going to copy this one and just click on save. Okay, and after that I'm going to settings, and from here I'm going to notification, and I'm going to abandon checkout. Okay, here just click on edit code. So what I have done is I have added a new style and a new div. Okay, new div with this discount code and the link to the discount code. Okay, if someone click on the link, the discount will be automatically applied. Okay, so now what we can do, just preview this and see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks, and I'm going to send a test email. Now I can see this. Okay, so here's your special discount code. So just click on this one, and once I click on this one and go to cart, I'll be able to see the discount. Okay, so it's all automatically applied. So this is how you can customize your abandoned checkout email and add a discount code which will make the people to purchase or complete your order. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just include this code within the description or as a link or something, so you can also use the same. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you are placing the code in the right place. Okay, so like you can see that okay, under the do not want to receive, so before that there is a table, so which is like 226 line. So what you can do is you can just place this above that. Okay, above this 226 line you can do that. Okay, or above this table class raw food. Okay, so here you have to place this code, as well as you have to add the style within the style. Okay, you can see a style opening tag here, and you can add the style here. Okay, so this is how, even if you want to change the background color or to make the font size increase or something, you can also do that from here. Okay, so if you do that and preview, you'll be able to see the sizes. Okay, this is how you can do that. Okay, so this is how you can add a discount code for your abandoned checkout email, and which will make the people to purchase the product. So hope you understand how to do that, and thanks for watching.